In today's video, I will show you my full aloe vera wash day routine that will help to promote faster hair growth, reduce dryness, shedding, and promote healthy hair. So please make sure you watch the video to the end to get the full detail of the video. To start this wash day routine, first of all, we'll be needing aloe vera gel. So to get the aloe vera gel, we need a fresh leaf of aloe vera plant. So this is my fresh aloe vera plant. So I'll be needing a help of knife and a bowl to slice the aloe vera plant so that I can able to soak it in water like 30 minutes to 35 minutes or 45 minutes, so that those yellow things that come out from the aloe vera plant can remove from the aloe vera gel to avoid itchiness or scalp irritation. This process is very important. If you have been using aloe vera gel on your hair and you're experiencing itchiness, that's the sign that the yellow things is not out from the aloe vera plant. So you need to start soaking your aloe vera. Maybe if you are soaking it in less minutes, then you need to increase your minutes of soaking it so that it will have time to remove those yellow things. Those yellow things from aloe vera are very poisonous. Okay, they are not good on your scalp. Okay, they can cause scalp irritation or itchy scalp. Okay, so make sure you soak your aloe vera to avoid that problems. Okay, so aloe vera is very good on your hair when you do it in a right way, when you soak it very well and you get good results. Okay, so if you're experiencing shedding, if you're experiencing stagnant growth, dryness, this aloe vera wash day routine is a game changer. Make sure you watch this video to the end to see how to use it and also to know how many times you can use it in a month to revive your dead hair, like your dry hair, to promote hair growth and to see how healthy your hair will look. This aloe vera wash day routine is a game changer. Okay, so what I just did now, after slicing them, I soak it like 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I remove the water. I wash it 2 to 3 times again before I start scooping it out. Okay, so I bring a spoon and a bowl to scoop out the aloe vera gel. Okay, so this process, you just need to use either knife, fork, or spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel. Just take your time to do this, okay, so that you can get all the aloe vera gel out from the aloe vera leaf. After extracting out the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf, then this is what I have so far. Do you see how slimy this is? This aloe vera gel is did a game changer, honestly. So what I'll do next now is to use my hand to match the aloe vera gel. After matching it, then I'll bring a wig cap to strain it out. Okay, so that those, I want to separate the aloe vera gel and those little particles on it. I hope you're understanding me. So the necessity of doing this now is to remove those little particles from the aloe vera gel so that they will not be on my hair. Okay, so after using my wig cap to extract out the pure aloe vera gel, the remaining little particles of the aloe vera gel, I will go off camera to blend it again. Okay, so they are still gel. Okay, so I just need to blend it. After blending it, this is what I have again. Then I'll bring my wig cap again to strain it. Okay, so these are the full aloe vera gel I got in this one aloe vera plant. So if you follow this step, you get more gel. Okay, so make sure you do this so that you not waste your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is not something you need to waste. Okay, just follow this step, you get all the whole gel that will come out from the any size of aloe vera plant you are making use of. Okay, and secondly, if you want your aloe vera gel to be very jelly, follow this method. But if you don't want it to be very jelly, you can just put everything inside blender and blend them. After blending them, they will never get the jelly. Okay, so if you want it to be very jelly, just do the process the way I did mine. Okay, then you can get this consistent of gel. So this is all the gel I got so far in that one plant of my aloe vera. So the next thing now we are going to move now. Let's move on to the wash day process. But before then, I'll bring this my applicator bottle and transfer some of the aloe vera gel into the applicator bottle before we can move to the wash day routine. So this is how my hair is. Like as I said, this is the full wash day routine with aloe vera gel. Okay, so this is how my hair is. My hair is so matted, so dry, so crunchy. So the first thing I will do now is to wet my hair with water. Okay, after wetting my hair with water, then we'll move to detangle my hair, and we'll detangle this hair with aloe vera gel. Okay, so this is the first step of the wash day routine with this aloe vera gel. This is one important thing you must do whenever you are doing this wash day routine with this aloe vera gel. Work in session. Working in session will help you a whole lot, and also it will make this aloe vera gel to penetrate very well all over your hair and give you that good result. Secondly, it will reduce breakage. Thirdly, it will reduce your stress. So working in session is a whole game changer. Don't ever detangle your hair in a hole without working in session. Okay, so if you have been detangle your hair in a hole, it may be the reason why you are not retaining length. Believe me when I said this, because you are yanking your hair, and also that product is not really penetrating on your hair very well, so that it can get good results with that product. So working in session is a must in this aloe vera wash day routine. So as you can see, I just session my hair and I collect this little amount of the hair, start working with it. So I just apply amount of aloe vera gel on my hair and make sure that aloe vera gel have coated that section very well. So next thing you must do is to do finger detangle first before you grab your white tooth comb or your hair brush to start brushing your hair. Finger detangle is another game changer for you, because when you do finger detangle, it will help you to remove those matted hair, those knots on your hair. But when you just use comb directly or brush directly on your hair without doing finger detangle, you will snap off your hair. It will lead you to excessive hair breakage. So doing finger detangle will help you a whole lot. Okay, so when comb come to your hair, it will very easy. It will reduce the breakage and the shedding you will got on your wash day. So do finger detangle before you use any other tools on your hair. Is another game changer. It's something that you don't need to skip. So if you have not been doing this in this year 2026, please try to practice it on your hair and you see good results on your hair. Okay, so this is what I will do throughout all my hair. Okay, just applying the amount of aloe vera, work it in very well in that section, then do finger detangle. Next thing is to use my white tooth comb to comb my hair. After combing my hair, I'll put my hair in section. This is another important thing you don't need to skip. Putting your hair in section. You can put your hair in twins or braid, okay, to help to keep the hair away, okay, before you can move on to another section of your hair. So this is what I will do all the entire of my hair. After doing this, we'll move to the next step of this wash day routine. Please, when combing your hair, be very gentle with it. Okay, in this video I'm very gentle, just that the video is speed up, but I'm very gentle with my hair. So if you are comb your hair roughly, you still lose a lot of hair on your wash day. So just try to be very gentle whenever you're combing your hair, whether your white tooth comb or your brush or even your finger detangle. Be very gentle. Okay, it's very important so that it can retain length. So after detangle my full hair, this is the amount of shedding I got so far. Let me know what you think. Is it much or is it okay? But to me, the amount of the shedding is very okay. Okay, so the next thing I do now is to rinse out the aloe vera gel on my head, then moving on to my shampoo. So use any shampoo of your choice. You can use your homemade shampoo, you can use your store bottle shampoo. Okay, but preferable for this wash day routine, do not use clarified shampoo. Use a moisturizing shampoo so that you can get good results with this aloe vera wash day routine. My hair is super dirty, so I'll be shampooing my hair twice so that my hair can be super clean. Okay, so you don't need to shampoo your hair once if your hair is very dirty. If you notice that your hair is very dirty, please go ahead and shampoo your hair twice. Even though you shampooed it twice and you feel like your hair is not that super clean, go ahead and shampoo your hair 3 times. Okay, until your hair is clean, then you stop shampooing your hair. I can't tell you how many times you shampoo your hair. Okay, no matter the type of shampoo you are using. Shampoo your hair until your hair is very clean, your scalp and your hair strands are super clean. Then you can stop shampooing your hair, okay? After shampooing my hair twice, now I'm very satisfied that my hair is super clean. My hair strands and my scalp are super clean. Do you see how my hair is so moisturized, so hydrated? And do you see my coil pattern? My coil pattern is pumping. Guys, this aloe vera wash day routine is a game changer. You will achieve a lot of goal in this one particular aloe vera wash day, okay? So now let's move on to our third step of this wash day routine. The third step now is to bring the aloe vera gel again, section my hair, then I will apply the aloe vera gel. So what I'm doing now is to deep condition my hair with this aloe vera gel, okay? So this process is very important, okay, so that you get good results of this aloe vera wash day routine. Like as I said, this is the full wash day routine with aloe vera gel. So I'm going to use aloe vera gel as my deep conditioner, okay, and you see what will happen once I rinse this out of my hair. You'll be mind blown at the results. So I'll still work in session. Working in session is very important, okay? So I'll apply this generously on my hair. After applying it on my hair, I will cover up my hair. I will just massage my scalp a little bit, then use my shower cap to cover up my hair. Allow my hair to sit for 1 hour. If you don't have that much time to spend in the bathroom, then cover it up, allow it to sit for 30 minutes. But if you have much time, just allow it to sit for 1 hour for that better result. After 1 hour, we can move to the next step. Guys, if your hair is very dry, you are looking for a way to hydrate your hair, or you are looking for a way to promote faster hair growth natural without to breaking the bank, this aloe vera wash day routine is a game changer. It will bring your hair back to life. You will see how your coil pattern will be. You will see how your hair will be very hydrating, very moisturized, very healthy, and you see less breakage and less tangle with this aloe vera wash day. There's a lot of benefits you will gain while using this aloe vera gel on your hair. So keep on watching. I will tell you towards the end of the video how many times in a month you must use this to achieve that good goal, okay? Both in promoting hair growth, hydrating your hair, reducing dryness, breakage on your hair, okay? After covering up my hair for 1 hour, so the next thing now, after 1 hour, I will rinse it out of my hair. After rinsing it out of my hair, do you see how my hair feel? Guys, I'm super mind blowing. This camera is not doing justice to this hair. My hair is super soft, so hydrated, so moisturized, and my coil pattern is pumping. This is so amazing, guys. My hair felt so healthy and super hydrating, to be honest with you. So the next step now is to use razor conditioner to condition your hair. This step is also very important to balance the moisture, okay? Use any razor conditioner you have out there to use it to condition your hair. After applying it all over your hair, then go ahead and rinse your hair out, but allow it to sit on your hair like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, then rinse it out thoroughly. Make sure you rinse it out thoroughly. After rinsing it out on my hair, the next thing is to bring my cotton sheet to dab out the excessive water on my hair. So the next step now is to moisturize my hair. I still have a little aloe vera gel that remaining inside the container. I just top in a little water with it, then I will shake it very well. Use the aloe vera gel now to moisturize my hair, okay? So I still apply the aloe vera gel. I still work in session. I apply the aloe vera gel on my hair, use it to dab my hair. Then the next thing now, I follow up with my leave-in conditioner, my mega growth leave-in conditioner. After applying it, I will comb my hair a little bit, okay? After combing my hair, then I'll braid my hair, okay, to keep my hair away. So after doing that, I will use oil to oil my scalp. Guys, this wash day routine is very helpful. So please listen very well, okay? Now let me tell you how many times you can use this in a month for better results. If you are dealing with dry hair, lifeless hair, you are looking for a way to hydrate your hair, then this aloe vera wash day routine is for you. Use it once in 2 weeks, okay, for better results. So in a month, use it twice in a month, okay? But if you are using this for promoting hair growth, just for good health of your hair, use it once in a month, okay? So depend on how your hair feel. If your hair is always dry or your hair is always sparse, continue using it until you balance your hair texture, then it can reduce it. But it can never go wrong on using aloe vera on your hair. So I also advise you also be using it as your leave-in conditioner, okay? You can use aloe vera as your leave-in conditioner, okay? You can also use it as your conditioner, the same way you saw me doing it in this video. So just follow the step them and you will never regret it, okay? I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please let me know in comment section below if you'll be trying this wash day routine aloe vera routine, okay? Let me know in comment section below, okay? And guys, please do well to join this family by subscribing, like this video, share this video so that more people can get the good information on today's video. Thank you guys so much for doing all that. We are come to end of today's video. Now the next thing, now I'll just allow my hair to air dry, then I can go ahead and put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So this is the full wash day of my aloe vera gel. So if there's anything I've not covered up, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.